Connecting devices to the provided cell phone. You can toggle this back and forth. There is no security, so all you have to do is toggle that on, and it should show up as an available Wi-Fi connection, and there should be no password to type in. To turn the TV on, just press this button. To change inputs, to go to the DVD player, press this button. Right now we're on the DVD player. Go up. You actually have to press it a few times. HDMI is the satellite, and it just takes a moment. When starting a fire, always make sure the flue is to the left. It takes a little pressure, but it clicks into place.
This is the jet right here. And this is the way it works. You turn it. And it should deflect water to different seats.